Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stick bugs small in Roblox full guide. Open Roblox Studio and load the avatar or game where you want the stick bug to appear small. Use the scale tool to reduce the model uniformly, then check collisions and pivot points. Adjust animations to match the new proportions and resize accessories so they fit. Test in play mode and tweak camera distance for the best visual effect. Start by grouping all stick bug parts into one model and set a clear pivot point. Use the scale tool and enter precise percentages to shrink the model while keeping proportions intact. After scaling, inspect joint alignments and hit play to watch movement. If limbs clip, undo and scale by smaller increments until clean. Always save a duplicate before major changes so you can revert quickly. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more content. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long Roblox sessions and fits easily on desks where you build and test models. I find it handy when tweaking tiny animations or scaling tiny avatars. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Animations need proportionate editing to look natural on a smaller stick bug. Duplicate each animation, then shorten limb travel distances and adjust keyframe positions to match new scale. Pay attention to foot contact and arm reach so movement stays grounded. Preview changes in play mode and fine-tune easing and timing until the motion feels smooth and believable at the reduced size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.